Welcome to another installment of Ms. K's College Survival Tips. Today I want to take a brief look at a computer procedure that some of my students have surprisingly been having trouble with, copying and pasting things into a Word document. So we're going to look at 3 different steps here. First of all, I've got a Word document open in front of me and ready to use. Let's say we want to copy the contents of this little notepad file called Grading Caught Up into the Word document. So first we're going to open the notepad file and we're going to select this text. Now the best way to do that is click on your left mouse and drag across it. You can either do that from the top or from the bottom, doesn't really matter. Next you can click on Edit and then click on Copy. Or after you've selected it, you can simply do Control-C, which is what I prefer. So click on Copy, then you go over to your Word document, click in there so your cursor appears, and then from the Home tab you can click on Paste or type Control-V. There you go, straightforward. What about when you want to copy and paste in something from the web? Well, let's take a look at this. I'll move that out of the way. We're going to click up my Firefox tab where I have my blog, College Success Insider, already opened up. If you want to copy a web link into a Word file so someone can use it, and by the way, this also works if you're putting it into any sort of LMS, like any sort of response box on Blackboard or discussion board or whatever, that works just fine. Or Moodle or Canvas, whatever LMS you happen to be using. So if you want to copy the link, you go up to the address bar, you click on it, it highlights, and then you right click so you can copy it. Just as we did before, you roll over to the Word document, go to where you want to put it, and paste. After you hit enter, it will become a live link. And if you hover over it in Word, it tells you how to reach that link if you want to. But what if you want to copy some of the content of the College Success Insider blog to your Word document? And of course, if you were doing that, you would be quoting it and citing me appropriately, right? Don't plagiarize. But in any event, you would do much the same thing we did with the notepad file. You would go to where you wanted to start copying it. You would put your cursor there, you'd hold down your left mouse key and drag it on over. And when you've selected what you want, then you right click to copy. You take it over into your Word document and then you can paste. Notice how I have both windows open next to one another side by side on the screen. That's really the best and easiest way to keep track of what you're doing when you have to do something like this. Okay, so I hope that has been helpful to those of you who may have been struggling with this issue. There will be more tips that will be forthcoming. And again, my name is Linda Krajewski, and this is Ms. K's College Success Tips. Until next time, goodbye.